Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to remote start a Nissan Murano step by step. Begin by confirming your Murano supports remote start and that the key fob battery is charged. Next, park in a safe, ventilated area and engage the parking brake before attempting any procedures. Keep the vehicle manual handy and follow each step slowly, testing the fob between steps so you can troubleshoot any issue In this video, I will show how to remote start a Nissan Murano step by step. With the vehicle locked, press lock once, then press and hold the remote start button for the time specified in your manual. Look for parking lights flash or a horn chirp as confirmation that the engine started remotely. If it does not start, try again after verifying the battery in the fob and proximity to the vehicle. In this video, I will show how to remote start a Nissan Murano step by step. If the system fails, confirm the hood latch, parking status, and that no dashboard warnings prevent remote start. Try a fresh key fob battery and repeat the procedure at varied distances to rule out interference. When repeated attempts fail, consult the owner manual or visit a dealership to check for software locks or security module issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.